How's it going, guys? So you swap your CPU nowadays and you'll get an error message like this. Now, unless you actually have BitLocker enabled, we're just going to go ahead and hit the Y button, which we do not. But I had run into this issue with another ASUS, and I believe it had BitLocker enabled, even though I didn't even realize it. So then when I selected whatever, I lost, and then I had to reload Windows. So make sure you don't have the BitLocker enabled before you hit the Y button. That way you won't run into that issue. And typically BitLocker is only going to be activated unless you're doing something that would need you to be secure. But like I said, I had one of the newer flagship ASUS motherboards, and when I had swapped my CPU into it, it, just didn't work right.